y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together.
All right, friends, we're back
Again.
for more cookout fun.
Part 2 of the cookout. If you're still putting raisins inside your potato salad,
You're still not invited.
Still not invited. No, you can't come. No.
If you say, I got the mac and cheese, but really what it is the box macaroni and cheese, you're not invited. The Kraft mac and cheese. Leave that at home.
You want to know a fun fact, but weird fact some people say?
Do tell.
I don't like my hot dogs on the grill.
What you like them boiled?
I like them boiled. And I like after you boil them, I like you to put it on the grill just to get the ballpark line so I can get that cookout feel. Because I promise you, I'm the type of person, I don't like burnt. If my link, or whatever you like to call it, hot dog, is burnt, I will peel it off until I can't see no more black. I will eat more bread than the meat. Wait.
Oh my God. You just walked into that. You walked into that.
You get what I'm saying though.
But then it's not barbecue, heifer. Just at that point, just get you your little boiled hot dog.
Listen, my food ain't gotta die twice. Don't blister it up. I'm just saying.
I just like
it didn't die twice.
So what you're saying is what
am I saying?
What you're saying is you like that boiled glizzy.
I like
she like that glizzy boiled.
She like that glizzy boiled.
Boy,
but I don't like it overdone.
Glizzy boiled. She like it glizzy boiled with a barbecue sauce, with a barbecue.
What is happening here? We're talking about food and we're on something else.
I mean,
all I'm saying is,
I just really have never met somebody that really said they would rather have a boiled glizzy. A boiled glizzy over a barbecue glizzy.
Why you sound like that? You sound like that dude.
I know.
I like that. Hey, what's his name? Hey, Tony TV.
Yes.
With his grunts.
I don't understand why he be doing that.
Barbecue sauce.
Okay.
Anyways, but yeah, so fun fact for me, weird fact for people.
Yeah, no, let's just put it under weird fact because that's definitely weird.
Wow.
Anyway, all right. So we are about to try. This comes from Guy Fieri. So whenever.
I like Guy.
So but here's the thing, right? With the celebrity chefs, like when they come up with these drinks, I always be side-eyeing it a little bit because I be like, who thought about when they go to the cookout, it's like, I want a Chipotle Barbecue Margarita.
Guy Fieri can come to the cookout.
Listen, I think it'll be good, but like.
You seen that hair? He can come to the cookout.
His hair still gives me Justin Timberlake from his NSYNC days.
No, it's what's the other guy in the group? He be hosting.
Oh, what his name? Damn, y'all.
NSYNC dude. No, Lance.
Lance? You talking about Lance?
Well, I wasn't talking about Lance at first. Joe, is his name Joey?
Joey.
Yeah,
Joey.
But blonde. But anyways, yeah.
All right. So we're gonna run through the ingredients, and then we will get started. Okay. So you're gonna need a Blanco Tequila.
Good chat.
We're visiting our friend Vulcan that tore us up last time, but
toe us up.
Again, that's what we had. Got it. Okay, so Agave Nectar, some Angostura Bitters. All right, now Guy Fieri was like really bougie with his selection of barbecue sauce. What he wanted us to get was a bourbon brown sugar barbecue sauce. Sweet Baby Ray's had hickory and brown sugar, so that's what the frick I got. Okay, so that exactly. Okay, lime juice.
Okay.
And we have a little bit of lime juice that will be the binder for the rim of our cup, and a Chipotle sugar combination,
Chipotle sugar,
which will be the rim.
Nice.
Okay. So let's start off by preparing our vessels, as I like to say.
Our elevated glasses.
Yep. So go ahead and get that
going.
There's the lime juice, and then we'll go ahead and just all types of chipotle sugar ending up on my table.
Got a little sweet heat going on.
Okay. Hold on.
She said, I need to get this all around.
Yeah, okay, that's better. Oh, that's gonna make me sneeze, child.
You cooking up in here. It smells like a barbecue.
It does. Oh, I really feel like I have to sneeze. There it is. I'm better. Ooh, that was rough there. So we have shakers with our ice, and we're gonna start with the tequila. So it's gonna be 2 ounces of the tequila. Fresh. I don't know why this bottle makes it feel like it's gonna fall out of my hand, so that's why I be like,
gotta palm that joint.
Oh my God. Okay, so
the Vulcan's gonna bring some heat to it.
Vulcan. I don't know why I said that. You know when you used to be like, you just hear a voice in your head and you're like, that made sense, and then you say it and you're
Vulcan
like, and then you're like, I don't know why I did that.
Chill.
Okay.
Right. Pretty bottle.
Yes, it is.
That I will give them.
Okay,
1 ounce.
1 ounce of our agave nectar.
Trying to get the rest of the bottle, pretty much.
Yeah. Ooh, hello. Sound like the end of the ketchup bottle right there.
Sound like after you had some Chipotle.
Oh Lord, not after the Chipotle.
You right, Taco Bell.
Oof. Damn. Interesting. Okay, so 1.5 ounces of lime juice. That's a lot of lime juice.
It really do smell like a barbecue. Like I'm about to eat some chicken. Or maybe I'm just hungry. What's this one?
1.5. Oh, he really having us put barbecue sauce in this drink, y'all.
Oh.
Yeah. 1/2 ounce of this. Oh. I don't like how that sounded coming out.
1/2 ounce.
1/2 ounce, baby.
There we go. That was fitting.
Okay. And then you might as well start off with the bitters. And it's 2 dashes of that when you get done. Yeah, I know.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to just add a little bit more tequila to mine, just to rinse my top out a little bit, you know. What is this?
2 dashes of that. Now remember, that's the one that like to, dash away. Okay, so once you have added your bitters, we are ready to shake. This is gonna be interesting, guys. I don't know. Okay. Oh, it looks like barbecue too. Why it look like barbecue? Guy Fieri, if this is nasty, I'm gonna find you in the alley and beat you up. Because
why? Oh,
it looked like, you know what this looks like? This looks like Sexy Red's lip gloss color, booty hole brown. Looks like booty hole brown.
I'm about to go to Pound Town. Jesus Christ.
Hey, yo. Okay, well, we gotta do it.
Tucking with my rounds. It's interesting.
It kind of tastes like tomato juice.
I went first, so you go next.
I'm trying. I'm honestly trying. Okay, Saints. What words do I have for this? Hold on, one real quick.
Definitely gives you barbecue vibes.
You know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of a Bloody Mary. In the sense that,
this is a little bit more.
am I cooking or am I drinking something?
That part.
That's the correlation there. Okay. This is a 3 for me. It's a 3. I'm all for experimentation. I am. But this will be tossed in the garbage immediately, right down the sink. This is not for me. It's creative. So I will say, never have I ever thought, let me put barbecue sauce in my drink. And now I know I never should have put barbecue sauce in my drink.
Just like tomato juice.
That's been confirmed for me. The rest of this follows along the lines of a regular margarita. It really
you
is.
Think the barbecue sauce did it for you?
Yeah.
If we took that out, it would have just been a regular margarita.
It would have just been a regular margarita, and then maybe you want like a Chipotle sugar rim just to be fancy.
Fair.
Which I could still tolerate.
Technically, they do have that. Well, no, tangent, but yeah.
Yeah, so I'm okay with that, but this is nasty. Like, look at my face.
That bad?
I'm like, Guy, if I see you in an alley, like, I'm gonna mink you real quick, because why did you think putting barbecue sauce in your drink was a good idea?
Hey, all you gotta do is put your hair up and you look like Marge to me.
It's a 3. And I really do try to be open with the drinks that are atypical, right, from what we would normally try. But why does it look like booty hole brown juice? It looks disgusting. It looks like, why is it brown? It's brown because there's barbecue sauce. That's why. Go ahead. I'm annoyed.
I don't know how to put this. My mouth went to Pound Town.
God damn.
And it's not in a pleasant way
Oh my.
was described in the song. It's not bad, but it's not great. If I had to choose a side, it would be more on the not great side. I think it's the barbecue sauce that's throwing me off. It is definitely one of those things where you're gonna be adventurous when you drink this. The color's throwing me off, especially after you said booty hole brown. It's not as bad as you described it.
Okay,
but it's bad to the point where it's just, I wouldn't choose it or recommend it. I'm gonna give this a 4.5. A 4.5. If you take the barbecue sauce out, I think we might be in business.
Yeah, because at that point you just have a regular margarita.
But they can do like a seasoning in it. Maybe it will be a little bit different. Maybe.
Yeah.
We know because we put salt in cocktails before and it enhanced it. So I don't see why like a particular barbecue, a type of dry rub or something, substitute, dump it in there, give it that barbecue feel. But I don't know. 4.5 for me.
This was trash. Like dead ass, I'm real serious that I would be upset. I would at a minimum side eye Guy Fieri if I seen him out in public, because I was like, why would you even recommend this? This is trash.
I'm not going to write him off yet. I have been to the restaurant.
I'm not writing him off. I'm still side eyeing you.
He had a bad hair day. That's all I got to say about that.
I mean, his hair always looks like that.
No, but exactly. But his food be fire. But maybe he laid his hair down that day when he came up with this recipe. I don't know. Like, yo, let's make this barbecue margarita.
Bad
and see
choice.
where it go with it.
Bad choice.
Yeah.
All right, people, listen. No matter what, like, comment, and subscribe below. I still, yes, make sure that you ring that bell, aka subscribe, okay? As always, this is our opinion, so we will provide the recipe. You should still try
I think
it.
my drink is cooking now.
Because, yeah. And matter of fact, go ahead and, get your steak out and slather that on there. It probably sound real good.
It might be a nice little marinade.
There you go.
It's a shame. I'm trying to keep an open mind here. There's one on the second drink.
Anyways, try it for yourself. Form your own opinions. In my opinion, this is garbage. Dumpster trash. Raccoon trash. Possum trash. Okay? That's my opinion. However, I digress. But anyways, hey, the cookout continues. And let's just hope that round 3 is better. Because this will be going in the sink.
I will take
expeditiously.
I'll take this over raisins in my potato salad.
That's not a really high margin there.
Oh, okay.
That's pretty low.
Interesting.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll be back.
We'll be back though.
Hopefully for something good. Bye.